Welcome to Brian 360, and welcome to Thingvellir National Park, a site of great historical and cultural significance to the people of Iceland, and an amazing display of the wonders of geology. This is the 360 version of a regular or flat version video that I've already posted on my channel. In this 360 video, you control the view if you are watching on a phone, tablet, or computer. Look up, down, left, right, you control it all. I won't say too much in this version, as the point is to experience it as if you are there. If you would like to learn more about the history, culture, and geology of Thingvellir National Park, please check out the regular version on my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and sign up for notifications. As well, please come back to my channel to see many more videos of Iceland that I will be posting. Thank you again, and take care.
Here's the actual one. Oh, yeah, right.
Well, then he has other friends with the servers that he sends them. Everyone's clicking each other's bands, playing each other's songs. 24 hours a day. Yeah. Yeah. He does Google Play because it's more money. It's 4 cents a listen. He's made AI songs. Has a fake band, but it's fake. It's fake listeners. He claims it all as income. Yeah. Fake music with fake people listening. Claims it as his business.
this is just a different side. Right? Hey, Brian, these parking lots are just different to the sides you can approach. Right? There's different pathways right now. So we just go and get to this point.
Manipal group બધું શું છે ને કન્ફ્યુઝ છે લોકો Once you sit down, you can get up.
One, two, class of 1974.
I think she was one of your